If you're a plumber and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple and affordable website for your plumbing service. Let's get started. Now, if you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So be sure to click on that link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. See how well multi-sites works for you and your small business. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. If you don't see your market over here, drop us a comment below and we will make sure that we add it. Now let's head to the top and search for our market, Plumber. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our plumbing service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city, state, or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click on that continue button, multi-sites will do all the hard work its magic, generate a simple website for your business, and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. Now, the beauty of multi-sites, the great thing about it is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of maybe some of the work you've completed, bathroom transformations. Perhaps you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to that content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services, or you'd like to write a little bit more information in the About Me section. Let your customers know how your business came to be. To make any changes on the multi-site platform, you don't need to know any website coding at all. Be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire someone with web development skills. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So I'm going to make my way to the first section at the top and work my way through. Let's click on that update section button. It's super simple to make any changes. I'm going to pop in my email address over here, and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. There it is, now visible on my website for my customers' convenience. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. Maybe you are a mobile business and you don't have a physical location, but if you have one, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, top left-hand corner, go directly to Google Maps for directions. Now, underneath updates, social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your multi-sites website, so your customers can give you a follow on social media and get some engagement going. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you don't quite have a logo yet, do check out our other videos. We have some great information on how to create a logo for absolutely free if you don't have a huge budget. Maybe you are just starting out your business. So check out our other videos on YouTube. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that little icon pencil to crop it, maybe rotate it, or add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can customize your logo to make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. Great. Now, to change the colors used throughout your multi-sites website, you don't need to know any color coding. Click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, perhaps change the images or the call to action buttons, click on update section. Underneath update images where you can browse your device or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account and pull in those photos if you have an Instagram account. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons where you can change the button text and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file if you wish to, or link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings through a third party. You can pop in the URL over there. And the last section at the bottom is where we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries, keep track of all those leads coming in, and your Marty dashboard. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on the connect your domain button at the bottom. And if you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. How convenient is that? I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website under 5 minutes on the Marty Sites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Follow us for small business marketing tips.